Greetings and welcome to Glodeanu.com, an online invoicing webpage. You can create an account, add the seller banking information, add users to view and add to your account's data, add services and/or products, add different client banking and miscellaneous information, create invoices, export them in PDF format, directly send the PDF invoices on your email, search for a previous existing invoice, export all your Glodeanu.com data into CSV format. In this 6th chapter, the creation of an invoice, including a time frame, export to PDF, and send by email will be presented. Kindly log in on Glodeanu.com. Click on the Create Invoice button from the Functions menu, either the desktop or the mobile version, followed by the clicking on the Create Invoice with Timeframe button. Fill in the required field, client code, or any unused client code if it is for a new client. The respective client's information will be displayed. Click on the Continue to Invoice Creation button. Update the buyer's banking information by filling in the desired fields and clicking on the Verify Buyer button. Click on the Add button to add services and/or products to the invoice. Select the service or product, input the starting period and the end period, followed by the click on the Save button. Repeat the selection of service or product step and when ready, click on the Insert into DB button to create the invoice. Click on the Create PDF button to generate the invoice in PDF format. Click on the Email PDF Invoice button and you will receive an email with the invoice in PDF format as attachment. Regards and take care from Glodeanu.com.